How to sign out of Canva logout. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video we're going to learn how you can sign out of Canva and log out of our account, so make sure to watch the video till the end. To sign out of Canva app, open up Canva app, and currently I am logged into my account. So if I want to log out, just tap on the three horizontal lines option from the top left hand side of the screen here. As you do that, you'll find your particular name over here, and right beside that name you'll find a little drop down icon, which is the arrow icon. So when you tap on it, you will see this little option pop up here, and if you look at the very bottom left, you'll find an option that says sign out. So tapping on that sign out option will successfully log you out of your Canva account. This way you can sign out or log out of Canva. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, then feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.